Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, get excited, because I've got the Ipsy April bags for y'all. I got the standard bag, I got the plus bag, and I got the ultimate. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which were full spoilers for the March Ipsy Plus bag. Congratulations, Basic Bish Beauty Boxes. Basic says, can a girl ever get a first? Well, here you go, my love, and thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. Never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, I've got all 3 April bags for Ipsy. And these look amazing, let me just say. So first, let's go ahead and look at the standard bag. Now this, oh my gosh, beautiful. It's like that baby pink color, and it looks like dragonflies to me. It could be flowers, but it honestly looks like dragonflies to me. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And I love those little attachments on the zippers. They're gold circles. I think that is a really good touch on those. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Now guys, let's go ahead and look at the plus bag. This one, same design, it's just mint green. And again, it's got those dragonflies or flowers, whatever. And then again, it's got that gold circle attachment on the zipper. I love pastel colors. It's nice and springy, and it reminds me of April, so I like that they done this. And last but certainly not least, let's look at this ultimate bag, y'all. It's like an off-white with beige, and it's also got the dragonflies or the flowers or whatever you want to call them. And it's got double zippers, so it's got 2 of those round gold things on them as the attachments. These are just gorgeous, y'all. These scream spring to me. I absolutely love that they changed like the colors up, and they're all like these pastel colors. Again, it just reminds me of April, and of course April's my birthday month. And these bags were amazing. So, and whoever up there at the Ipsy thought up of these bags, they need to keep them hanging around, because they done good this month, I think. But then again, you know, that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think down in the comments. First of all, is that a dragonfly or is it a flower? And then let me know if you like these bags. Which one's your favorite? And of course, as soon as they start revealing spoilers for these bags, guys, I'll keep you updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Lori Stewart. Lori says, glad to see you back on. Well, honey, I'm so glad to be back. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And make sure, guys, double check and make sure you are still subscribed to my channel. You know, YouTube has been unsubscribing people. Like, I just don't even know what the hell's going on up there at the damn YouTube building. But somebody needs to get fired for that. But anyways, if you would, double check that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. It's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. One more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. And also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.